John Miller is a 66-year-old retired firefighter from Ohio. Throughout his career, he was known for his unwavering commitment to health and discipline, values that shaped both his professional and personal life. Even after retirement, John maintained a routine focused on physical fitness and well-being. His dedication to staying healthy was a source of pride, reflecting the same determination that guided him during his years of service. John's story begins with this foundation of resilience and self-care. John had always maintained an active lifestyle, enjoying regular walks and staying engaged with his daily activities. However, over the course of several months, he started to notice a persistent sense of fatigue that was unlike anything he had experienced before. At first, John dismissed these feelings, believing they were simply a natural part of getting older and the result of his busy routines. The tiredness lingered, gradually affecting his energy and enthusiasm. Despite his attempts to push through, the fatigue became increasingly difficult to ignore. This subtle change marked the beginning of a new chapter in John's health journey. As John and his wife relaxed together on the porch, a gentle sunlight bathed the room in warmth. She observed a slight tremor in his hands, a detail that caught her attention amidst the peaceful setting. Concern flickered in her eyes, but John quickly brushed off her worries, attributing the shaking to simple tiredness. This moment, though seemingly minor, hinted at changes that were easy to overlook. Sometimes, the earliest signs of health issues can be subtle, appearing in everyday routines. For John, the tremor was just a fleeting inconvenience, but for his wife, it was a reason to pay closer attention. Within just 2 weeks, John's health took a dramatic turn for the worse. He began experiencing symptoms that prompted an urgent visit to the hospital. Medical evaluation revealed early signs of heart failure, a serious condition that affects the heart's ability to pump blood efficiently. Shortly after this diagnosis, John suffered a mini stroke, further complicating his situation. These events marked a critical point in his medical journey, highlighting the rapid progression of his illness and the need for immediate intervention. John's experience highlighted an important medical insight. The heart and brain share a profound connection. When the heart encounters stress or dysfunction, the brain can quickly respond with its own set of challenges, and vice versa. This relationship means that symptoms in one system may signal underlying issues in the other. Understanding this interplay is crucial for accurate diagnosis and effective treatment. Medical professionals often monitor both cardiac and neurological indicators to ensure comprehensive care. John's case serves as a reminder of how closely our vital organs work together to maintain overall health. Recognizing the warning signs that link heart and brain health is crucial for timely intervention. Symptoms such as irregular heartbeat, elevated blood pressure, and sudden changes in mental status can indicate underlying issues affecting both organs. The heart and brain are closely connected, with cardiovascular problems often increasing the risk of stroke or cognitive decline. By understanding these relationships, healthcare providers and patients can respond more quickly to potential problems. Early detection not only improves treatment options, but also enhances long-term health outcomes. Staying informed about these connections empowers individuals to take proactive steps toward maintaining both heart and brain health. Many individuals, just like John, might dismiss or ignore subtle symptoms that could indicate underlying health issues. These early signs are often easy to overlook, especially when daily routines take precedence. However, being attentive to changes in one's body is crucial for early detection and effective treatment. Raising awareness about these symptoms can encourage people to seek medical advice sooner rather than later. Timely consultation with healthcare professionals can make a significant difference in outcomes, ensuring that minor concerns do not escalate into serious conditions. John's experience highlights the importance of listening to our bodies and recognizing subtle changes in our health. By remaining attentive to early warning signs, individuals can seek medical advice before minor issues become serious concerns. Early detection not only improves treatment outcomes, but also contributes to overall well-being. This story serves as a powerful reminder that proactive health monitoring can make a significant difference in our lives. Inspiring Health 247 is committed to highlighting the essential link between heart and brain health. By focusing on this connection, the organization aims to promote a deeper understanding of how cardiovascular and neurological well-being are intertwined. Their efforts center on educating the public about the impact that heart health can have on cognitive function and overall quality of life. Through ongoing awareness initiatives, Inspiring Health 247 encourages individuals to take proactive steps towards maintaining both heart and brain health. This integrated approach supports a vision for a healthier future, where prevention and knowledge empower communities. The heart and brain share a vital connection that is essential for maintaining overall health. Blood vessels act as highways, delivering oxygen and nutrients from the heart to the brain, ensuring its proper function. Nerves transmit signals between these organs, allowing for rapid communication and coordination of bodily responses. Hormones released into the bloodstream further influence both heart rate and cognitive processes, highlighting the intricate interplay between these systems. This network of vessels, nerves, and chemical messengers demonstrates how closely the heart and brain are linked, working together to regulate everything from emotions to physical activity. Understanding this relationship is key to appreciating how disruptions in one system can impact the other. When the heart's efficiency declines, it becomes less effective at pumping oxygen-rich blood throughout the body. As a result, the brain receives a reduced supply of oxygen, which is essential for its proper function. This shortage can impair cognitive abilities, making it harder to concentrate, solve problems, or process information. Emotional stability may also be affected, with individuals experiencing mood swings or increased anxiety. Memory can suffer as well, leading to forgetfulness or difficulty recalling information. Over time, these changes can significantly impact a person's daily life and overall well-being. Understanding this connection highlights the importance of maintaining heart health for optimal brain function. Heart failure not only impacts the body's ability to circulate blood, but it can also profoundly affect mental health. Many patients experience symptoms such as brain fog, which manifests as difficulty concentrating or remembering information. Depression is another common challenge, often arising from the stress and limitations imposed by the condition. Confusion may occur, especially when oxygen levels in the brain fluctuate due to poor cardiac function. These cognitive and emotional symptoms can complicate daily life and make managing heart failure even more challenging. Understanding these effects is essential for providing comprehensive care and support to those living with heart failure. Stroke can have a profound effect on heart function, often in ways that are not immediately obvious. When the brain experiences inflammation as a result of a stroke, it can disrupt the normal signals that regulate heart rhythm and blood pressure. Additionally, the stress response triggered by a stroke releases hormones that may constrict blood vessels and weaken overall circulation. This combination of neurological and physiological changes can place extra strain on the heart, making recovery more challenging. Recognizing these interactions is essential for managing both brain and heart health after a stroke. Recent studies from Harvard and the American Heart Association have revealed a significant connection between heart disease and cognitive health. Individuals with heart disease face a higher risk of experiencing memory problems and minor strokes, also known as transient ischemic attacks. These findings highlight how cardiovascular issues can impact blood flow to the brain, potentially leading to subtle changes in memory and thinking abilities. Researchers emphasize the importance of monitoring heart health not only for physical well-being, but also for maintaining cognitive function. Understanding these links can help guide prevention strategies and encourage early intervention. By addressing heart disease risk factors, it may be possible to reduce the likelihood of developing related memory concerns and minor strokes. Symptoms such as fatigue, dizziness, and forgetfulness are often dismissed as normal signs of aging. However, these experiences can sometimes indicate underlying problems with heart and brain health. Paying attention to these subtle changes is important, as they may be early warning signals of conditions that require medical attention. Recognizing the difference between typical aging and symptoms of potential health issues can lead to earlier intervention and better outcomes. Understanding the root causes of these symptoms helps ensure that necessary steps are taken to maintain overall well-being. Recognizing symptoms early is a crucial step towards maintaining lifelong health. The connection between heart and brain health is deeply intertwined, with each influencing the other in significant ways. By understanding this relationship, individuals can make informed decisions that support both physical and mental well-being. Proactive awareness and education empower us to take control of our health journeys. Through early recognition and a holistic approach, we can foster resilience and inspiration for a healthier future. The heart and brain share a profound and essential connection, working together to maintain our overall health. The heart pumps oxygen-rich blood that nourishes the brain, enabling it to function optimally. In turn, the brain regulates heart rate and blood pressure, ensuring the cardiovascular system operates smoothly. When one of these organs is compromised, the other can be affected, underscoring the importance of caring for both. Research continues to reveal how heart health influences cognitive abilities and emotional well-being. By understanding this relationship, we can make informed choices that support both heart and brain, leading to a healthier, more balanced life. Each healthy heartbeat plays a vital role in nourishing the brain, delivering oxygen and essential nutrients that support cognitive function and mental clarity. The connection between the heart and the brain is dynamic, with every pulse helping to maintain optimal neurological health. At the same time, practicing mindful thoughts can positively influence heart balance, reducing stress and promoting emotional well-being. When we cultivate awareness and calmness, our bodies respond with steadier heart rhythms. This harmonious relationship between mind and heart highlights the importance of caring for both. By supporting heart health and nurturing mindful habits, we create the foundation for overall wellness. Maintaining healthy blood pressure and blood sugar levels is essential for protecting both your heart and brain. High blood pressure can damage blood vessels, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Similarly, elevated blood sugar over time can lead to diabetes, which further strains your cardiovascular system and affects brain health. Regular monitoring, a balanced diet, and consistent physical activity are key strategies for keeping these levels in check. Limiting salt and sugar intake, managing stress, and following your healthcare provider's advice can make a significant difference. By prioritizing these habits, you support your overall well-being and reduce the risk of serious health complications. Incorporating daily physical activity into your routine can have a profound impact on your overall health. Simple actions like walking or moving for at least 30 minutes each day help improve cardiovascular fitness, boost mood, and increase energy levels. Regular movement supports healthy weight management and strengthens muscles and bones. Even moderate exercise, such as brisk walking, can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. By making physical activity a consistent part of your day, you invest in your long-term well-being and vitality. Incorporating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants into your diet can significantly benefit both heart and brain health. Omega-3s, commonly found in fatty fish like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, help reduce inflammation and support healthy blood flow. Antioxidants, present in colorful fruits and vegetables such as berries, spinach, and tomatoes, protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Together, these nutrients contribute to improved cognitive function and lower risk of cardiovascular disease. Making mindful choices about what you eat can play a vital role in maintaining overall wellness and longevity. Getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night plays a crucial role in maintaining both heart and brain health. Adequate sleep allows the body to repair itself, regulate hormones, and support vital functions. Studies have shown that consistently sleeping less than the recommended amount can increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and cognitive decline. During deep sleep, the brain processes memories and clears out toxins, while the heart rate and blood pressure stabilize. Prioritizing restful sleep not only boosts mental clarity and mood, but also helps protect long-term cardiovascular health. Establishing a regular sleep schedule and creating a calming bedtime routine can make it easier to achieve these benefits. Managing stress and emotional health plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy heart. Chronic stress can lead to increased blood pressure and inflammation, which are risk factors for heart disease. By adopting effective coping strategies, such as mindfulness, regular physical activity, and connecting with supportive friends or family, individuals can reduce the negative impact of stress on their cardiovascular system. Emotional well-being also supports healthier lifestyle choices, including balanced nutrition and adequate sleep. Prioritizing mental health not only benefits the heart, but also contributes to overall quality of life. Understanding the connection between emotional health and heart health empowers people to take proactive steps toward long-term wellness. The heart and brain share a powerful, interconnected relationship that shapes our overall well-being. By understanding how these two vital organs influence each other, we can make more informed choices for our health. Listening to both our emotions and our thoughts allows us to respond to life's challenges with balance and resilience. When we pay attention to the signals from our heart and brain, we nurture not only physical health, but also mental and emotional harmony. Embracing this mutual connection empowers us to live healthier, more inspired lives.